Whew. Yo guys, what's up? It's Riley. It's been 2 years since I've had my 3000 graft FUE hair transplant in Istanbul, Turkey. I had all the grafts in the front of my hairline done, taken from the back. So 2 years, just giving you an update, like what's my hair regimen. I'm on all natural still. I'm not taking any pharmaceuticals. I'm not taking any DHT blockers. I'm not doing any topicals like minoxidil, nanoxidil, whatever. So I'm going to walk you through my hair regimen here. First, we got the favorite thing, the shampoo bar. Organic rosemary essential oil, no chemicals, no phthalates, no parabens, no fragrances, pure organic natural soap. I love this shampoo bar so much. I bought it for like $3 basically here in Thailand, online on Lazada. I've used shampoo bars in the past, but I really like this particular one. This brand, I'm not promoting them at all. I'm not making any money, but I love this shampoo bar. It's easy to travel with. Just get your hair a little bit wet, rub it in your hands, pass it over, massage your scalp, get those oils, the gunk off. It's amazing. I also use shea butter for my skin. This is the only skincare I use is shea butter, 100% organic shea butter from Togo. You can buy it online, iHerb, any natural website. Yeah, and I also started to do a collab with Growband at HairGuard. As you've seen in my other videos, I'm an advocate for massage therapy for hair growth to basically soften the scalp tissue to create a better environment for your hair. So does this cure hair loss? No, but does it help your hair environment? Yes. So I'm an advocate for their company, so I was happy to work with them. This is also part of my regimen now. But of course, you don't necessarily need the Growband. You can use your fingers to massage your scalp, which I always do. I use my finger and just go like this all the time in my temples, my forehead, the top of my scalp, just to loosen up that rigid scalp tissue. I had very rigid scalp tissue. I came to realize, and the massage helps soften it up, improves the hair environment, will help growth. So definitely an advocate for that. Derma rolling too. I have this 1 millimeter derma roller, just a titanium one, better so the needles don't warp. Wash it with isopropyl alcohol beforehand. I do this maybe once or twice a week. I think it helps stimulate the follicles and the scalp environment. I'll use a little bit of this too with the derma roller. This is that viral rosemary hair oil. I won't apply this directly to my scalp, but I'll dab it a little bit on the derma roller itself and then run it over my scalp, side of my head too, even where I'm not losing hair or having problems with hair loss. But everywhere I have hair on my head, also my beard too, you know, why not try to fill in the beard a little bit better. So yeah, derma rolling is good. I also have these supplements that I got from the hair surgeon in Turkey. They gave me so much stuff, all natural stuff too, which was great. So I take this every now and then, biotin, ginseng, zinc supplement, but you know, I don't think it's the end all be all. I think having a healthy diet is actually far more important than taking supplements and drugs and all these things in your system which kind of disrupt your gut. Another thing I use is virgin coconut oil. I can use this for my hair. I use this for teeth pulling too. So I spray it in my mouth and I swizzle it around, which gets rid of all the plaque and toxins too. So I do that also. Extra virgin cold pressed coconut oil is a wonderful substance, not just for your hair to moisturize it, but for all around skincare, mouth health, etc. So all these natural things, these natural oils and plant-based things are really good for your hair, and they don't have any side effects. So a lot of people, you know, take finasteride and minoxidil, and if that works for you and if you feel comfortable taking it, then go for it. You know, I'm not going to tell you to stop. I'm not going to say don't do it. But for me personally, having tried those drugs and those topicals like minoxidil and having a bad experience, I just stay away from it. So I'm only on natural hair care. And is that gonna like stop my hair loss? Maybe not. It might slow it down. If I was taking finasteride, I probably would have thicker, fuller hair, but I just don't want to mess with my hormones. I don't want to block my DHT systemically. In the past, it lowered my libido. It just had bad mental effects. So I feel really good just doing natural hair care, and I'm just gonna take the cards that I get. If my hair starts to fall in the future, which it probably will, then that's okay. I'm pretty happy with my hair now. It's really good, and where I've had the transplant, you know, it's a little bit thin. It could be more dense. It could be more strong. Was that related to the transplant itself, to the doctors themselves? I think they did a good job. I didn't spend like a lot. I spent a lower price, but you know, it was pretty good. The doctor did some of the operation and the nurses did some, and I think, you know, everything looked good. The transplant looked good, but you never know, right? So I think it could also be that I'm not taking, you know, finasteride to stabilize the DHT, and of course the hair will continue to thin and lose, but I'm going to take only natural substances just to maintain my hair. The last thing I'll add is, you know, your environment where you live. I don't want to be in the city anymore. I've spent a lot of time living in the cities like Tokyo and Bangkok and wherever in Asia. I've lived in a lot of cities. Right now I live near the beach. Being able to swim in that cold salt water every day, actually I feel is really a benefit for my hair and my overall health, my skin, my mood, everything. So I also swim in a fresh water, a river or waterfall near my house. So having fresh water and salt water, I think also really is like a natural kind of balancer for my hair, and it's a benefit. So I do all this stuff, you know, I'm gonna keep continuing to do it. If you have any suggestions for natural hair care, let me know. I know it's like an upward battle here. You know, if I take finasteride, it's gonna boom, like multiply my hair growth, but I'm not gonna do it. So I'm pretty happy. I'm 32. You know, if I wanna do another hair transplant or two in the future, I might do that. I also have done stem cells from a Japan-based clinic in Japan and also in Vietnam. I had a special connection there, so injecting stem cells from baby placenta and baby umbilical cord ethically. They're they're waste product after childbirth, and often they're thrown away. But doctors can really utilize these stem cells, save them, and they're used in high-end stem cell clinics all across the world now for their rejuvenating qualities. That it really like repairs your cells. It's good for your hair, helps your hair growth, helps your skin health, helps internally. So if I could do stem cells more often, I would. I just don't have the access to it, and it's costly. So here I am, you know, trying to stimulate my hair naturally, living in a healthy environment, good exercise, good diet, stay away from toxic things. Speaking of which, I just only drink out of a stainless steel water flask. When I go to get my coffee, I ask them to fill it in this. So I try to avoid plastic too. That's another big thing in my book. So all these things, you know, will help promote a healthier body and a healthier hair. So that's where I am at in 2024, 2 years post hair transplant. And you know, I'm happy, I'm healthy, I'm feeling good, and I'm just going with whatever comes. So if you have any comments, suggestions, anything to add, anything you think I might be missing, critiques, whatever, welcome. So have a blessed day, guys.